You guys, it's tax season. Surprise, bearer of bad news over here on a Sunday evening. And tonight, time is running out. If you're wondering when federal tax returns are due, we've got you covered here on 12 News. Team 12's Trisha Hendricks has more details on the deadline and a helpful program created to make doing your taxes an easy task to check off the list.
For most Americans, the deadline to file federal tax returns is Tuesday, April 18th, because April 15th fell on a Saturday this year. And the next weekday, April 17th, is recognized as Emancipation Day in Washington, D.C. And thankfully for plenty of people, there are a list of ways you can get last-minute help.
Help with both your federal and your state taxes if you fall within the scope of our program.
Julie Bordelon oversees the VITA program for the city of Phoenix. It's a volunteer income tax assistance program.
Right now, most VITA sites are pretty full because it's such a popular program because our services are free.
It's been around for about 50 years, and it's sponsored by the IRS nationwide. Julie says even if you're unable to get an appointment, there are two other options. Just head to phoenix.gov/tax help and go to the do-it-yourself link.
We also have a program where we work with the United Way called myfreetaxes.com. You will even be able to have a volunteer potentially help you if you've got some issues with that.
A few tips to make your filing experience go smoother. First, make sure you file electronically. The IRS e-file service is available to everyone, and many can file their taxes for free. Carefully check identification numbers, specifically Social Security numbers for each person listed. And finally, sign your form. If you're filing a joint return, both you and your spouse must sign it, even if only one of you had income. The most important thing to remember, make sure you file your taxes on time or file an extension.
Because if you owe money, the IRS will charge you a penalty for filing late. And in addition to that, they will charge you interest if you owe money.
Bottom line, if you don't put it off, you can have your taxes done in no time with little to no hiccups in the process. In Phoenix, Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.
Trisha, thank you. The city of Phoenix will have services starting at 3 locations in June, going through the first week of October if you do file that extension. For more information, that website is phoenix.gov/tax help.